In this segment, we'll be showing you how to uninstall a cassette. So, we will need our chain whip Park Tool SR-11, wrapping the chain whip like that. Now we will take our Park FR5 cassette tool and we will take our large adjustable wrench. We will use the chain whip to resist the motion this way while we turn the adjustable wrench to the left, or counterclockwise. Once it's freed up, you can just use your hand. Take the lock ring off. Take your chain whip off. And the whole thing should slide off. Now, you have removed your cassette. In this segment, we will be showing you how to reinstall a cassette. First, locate the small spline, which is different from all the others on the free hub body. Then, locate that same notch on your cassette, which is different from all the other notches. Align them properly. Now your cassette is on your free hub. Take your next cog, do the same. Take your last one, and it is very important that you get these on right, otherwise it will not lay flush on the rest of the cassette and you will not be able to tighten it down, or worse, you will actually strip everything. Now we can apply just a tiny bit of grease to this lock ring. Doesn't need to be much. Spread it around evenly. Taking the same exact tool you took it off with. Thread until you start hearing that clicking noise. Then, we do not need the chain whip to reinstall, so we'll just use this end. Until you hear that sound change, your cassette should be on tight. Give it a quick feel. There isn't a significant wobble, so now your cassette is installed.